The value of resilient teams. Many teams struggle under pressure because challenges are faced in isolation or blame replaces collaboration. When trust and support are missing, stress increases and performance suffers. Resilient teams are built through shared purpose, open communication, and the ability to adapt together when things do not go to plan. I have seen that the strongest teams are not those without setbacks, but those that face them honestly and support one another through change. When people feel safe to speak up and lean on each other, resilience grows naturally. For me, being part of a resilient team has meant valuing connection over control and learning together rather than struggling alone. Some action steps. Identify one way your team could improve communication or support during challenging moments. Encourage open conversations by listening without judgment and inviting diverse perspectives. This week, acknowledge a team member's effort or strength and reinforce a culture of trust and shared responsibility. If you would like support in building resilient, high-performing teams, feel free to get in contact with me for a counseling or coaching session.